Hey guys, so as usual, the next generation of Sony's flagship device will be launched at the MWC of this year. Although we have heard too many leaks concerning both the design and the key features of the Xperia XZ4, but now it seems like the latest leak has just collected all the previous rumors into one. And if this information is true, we can state that the forthcoming Xperia model will become one of the most powerful handsets around the globe. So every year, Sony becomes the first manufacturer to introduce a smartphone packed with a new Qualcomm's processor. Despite that, it looks like that the Sony has no ambitions in the smartphone business, and it designs and launches new models just to stay afloat and keep the fingers on pulse. As you all know, it supplies lots of components to various manufacturers, so they should know what's happening in the world. We have talked about this too many times, but all we're waiting for new Xperia XZ4 because like its predecessor, it embodies how a classic premium smartphone should look like. So today we have heard rumors that this new Sony smartphone will have a triple camera configurations, including a 52 megapixel sensor. It's unknown if the sensor is used is an improved version of the IMX586, which is found in the recently launched Honor V20. An image posted by the Japanese blog shows the supposed triple camera configuration of the Xperia XZ4. It is speculated that the main camera in the center uses a 52 megapixel sensor with an f1.6 aperture. The phone will also have a 16 megapixel telephoto lens with f2.6 aperture and a time-of-flight sensor which will be used for this phone's autofocus capabilities. According to the rumors, the Sony Xperia XZ4 will have a large 6.5-inch OLED screen with an ultra-high aspect ratio of 21:9, resolution of 1440 by 3360 pixels, and support for HDR content. Panel will also feature Corning Gorilla Glass 5 for durability. It is likely that the Xperia XZ4 also comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 with at least 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The phone will also have a microSD card slot for additional storage, and it will be running on Android 9 Pie. This device will have 4 color options of black, silver, blue and deep purple. And lastly, the XZ4 will be powered by the 4400 mAh battery. So that is it for now. Let me know what you think about the Xperia XZ4. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you in my next video.